Good morning. Today we have to start with a new chapter which is about inequations. First of all, let's start by defining an inequality. An inequality compares two values, showing if one is less than, greater than, or simply not equal to another value, which means that an inequality is a way of comparison between two values using the inequality symbols smaller than or equal, greater than or equal, or different. Let's take the following examples. In the first one, we have a 3x plus 4 greater than 2x plus 1, or you can read it as a 3x plus 4 strictly greater than 2x plus 1. In the second example, x plus 2 greater than or equal minus x plus 1. So here the inequality symbol is greater than or equal. In the next example, we have minus x plus 5 less than or equal to x plus 1. And the next one, x plus 1 less than 5, or you can read it x plus 1 strictly less than 5. And the last one, we have 3x plus 2 is different than 0, or which means that it's not equal to 0. Now let's start with the properties of an inequality. In the first property, if A is smaller than B, then by adding the same number to both sides of the inequality, to the left-hand side and to the right-hand side, the inequality symbol remains the same. Then A plus C is smaller than B plus C. Let's take the following example. If x is less than 2, then by adding 2 to both sides, the inequality becomes x plus 2 smaller than 2 plus 2, which means x plus 2 smaller than 4. So the inequality symbol remains the same, which is smaller than. In the second example, if A smaller than B, then by the same way, if you subtract the same number C from both sides of the inequality, from the left and the right hand side, also the symbol of the inequality remains the same, then A minus C is less than B minus C. Take the following example, x less than 3. If we subtract 1 from both sides, then we will have x minus 1 less than 3 minus 1, which means that x minus 1 is less than 2. So the symbol of the inequality remains the same, which is less than.